Today, I'm taking on the challenge of mastering strategic thinking by following 10 essential steps. Can I resist my impulsive instincts and make smarter decisions? In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with choices and opportunities, and it's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment and make impulsive decisions. But the truth is, strategic thinking is crucial to achieving our goals and living a fulfilling life. By taking the time to think critically and make informed decisions, we can avoid costly mistakes, build stronger relationships, and unlock our full potential. Impulsive thinking, on the other hand, can lead to an overflow of problems. When we act on instinct, without considering the long-term consequences, we can end up stuck in a rut, repeating the same patterns over and over again. We might spend money we don't have on things we don't need, or dive headfirst into relationships that aren't good for us. We might even sabotage our own success by making reckless decisions that undermine our hard work and dedication. For instance, have you ever clicked "Buy Now" on an online shopping spree, only to regret it later when the credit card bill arrives? Or have you ever jumped into a new project without doing your research, only to find out it's not as viable as you thought? These are just a few examples of how impulsive thinking can lead to poor decision-making in our personal and professional lives. It's easy to see how impulsive thinking can hold us back, but the good news is that it's not an inherent trait, it's a habit that can be broken. By adopting a strategic mindset, we can start making decisions that align with our values and goals, and start achieving the success we've always wanted. So, what are the 10 essential steps to think strategically? The first step is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve, and why is it important to you? The second step is to gather information. What do you need to know to make an informed decision? The third step is to identify your options. What are the potential paths you can take to achieve your goal? The fourth step is to evaluate those options. What are the pros and cons of each, and which one aligns best with your goals? The fifth step is to choose your course of action. Which option do you think is the best, and why? The sixth step is to create a plan. What specific steps do you need to take to achieve your goal? The seventh step is to anticipate potential obstacles. What could go wrong, and how can you mitigate those risks? The eighth step is to take action. Start taking steps towards your goal, and be open to adjusting your plan as needed. The ninth step is to review and reflect. How's your progress going, and what can you learn from your experience? And the 10th step is to adjust and adapt. What can you do differently moving forward to achieve even better results? Now, one of the most impactful steps that often gets overlooked is the 7th step, anticipating potential obstacles. So often, we get caught up in the excitement of a new idea or project that we forget to consider what could go wrong. But by taking the time to anticipate potential obstacles, we can save ourselves a world of trouble and heartache. When we anticipate obstacles, we can start to think creatively about how to overcome them. We can develop contingency plans, identify potential pitfalls, and come up with strategies to mitigate risks. And when we do encounter setbacks, we're not caught off guard, we're prepared, and we can adapt quickly. By anticipating obstacles, we can turn potential disasters into minor speed bumps, and achieve our goals with confidence and ease. The 7th step is so crucial, because it allows us to approach challenges with a clear head, rather than getting bogged down in impulsive reactions. When we take the time to anticipate obstacles, we can stay focused on our goals, even when things get tough. And that's what sets strategic thinkers apart from impulsive reactors: the ability to stay calm, think clearly, and make informed decisions, even in the face of uncertainty. Let's recap the 10 essential steps to think strategically. Define your goals. Gather information. Identify your options. Evaluate those options. Choose your course of action. Create a plan. Anticipate potential obstacles. Take action. Review and reflect. And adjust and adapt. By following these steps, you can start making smarter decisions, achieving your goals, and living a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What's your experience with strategic thinking? And how do you make decisions in your personal and professional life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to check out our next video on decision-making strategies.